In this video, I will guide you how you can connect Pixelverse to your Trust wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Telegram, and then you're gonna need to simply head over to the Pixelverse and then click on the supply. Then this is going to open up a new window which you will be familiar with. Now you need to click on the Binance icon on the top right, or in other words it will be wallet or any other icon that the wallet you have connected to. Now you need to simply click on connect new wallet and then click on this trust wallet, then click on yes I have it, and then open up your particular trust wallet. Now once you are in, if I go back for a second, and as you can see USDT ERC20 wallet address required. So you need to simply open up your trust wallet and then simply search for it USDT and then click on it. Make sure to click on this receive option and copy your address. Now you need to go back and then deposit just like so. After that you just gonna need to click on made it on the bottom, and this is going to take few seconds or few minutes, and there you have it. We have successfully connected our trust wallet to our Pixelverse. So hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.